Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So basically this is not only the color variant. If you have any other variant name, then still you can separate them out on collection pages. This video is specific for next theme. If you have any other theme, I have already created a lot of videos with different themes. So I will be adding the link below in the description so you can explore that playlist. So here on my screen you can see that I have a collection page where I have multiple products, but only single color variant is displaying on this page. For example, I have this product. So if I'm clicking on it, you can see that I have two variants, one is red and another is blue. But on collection page you can only see a single color is displaying, that is blue. So how we can display all those colors on a collection pages? So let me show you step by step. So firstly, you should go back to the dashboard of your Shopify store, and here you can see that I have installed Next theme. So firstly, you should take the backup of this theme so that if you have any problem or something, so you can roll it back to its original version. So for that, you need to click on these three dots and duplicate this theme. And then after again, you need to click on these three dots and then click on edit code. So we are going to make some changes into the theme. So for that, I have already written a complete documentation. I will be adding the link below in the description. So you should click on that link. So once you are downloading the code, so you will be finding these four files and you should open document.txt. So inside of this file, I have already given a list of steps which we are going to follow in this video. So these are quite simple. You only need to copy and paste the code and just follow the instruction according to the video I am recording. So now the first step is that create a new snippet color-variant.liquid. So just copy this name from here, go back, and here you can see that we have multiple folders. So you just need to click on snippets, click on new file, and then paste that name here and then press enter key. So in that way you will see that you have a empty file created here. So in this empty file I am going to paste the code which I have already attached. So here you can see that we have color-variant.txt. So you should open this file and copy the code, and then after again go back here and paste it right here. Once you have pasted it, then you should save the changes and then close this file. So in the same way, go back to the documentation again. We have the second step, which is create new snippet color-product-item.liquid. So you just copy this name from here, go back, and again you need to click on this snippet, click on new file, paste that name here color-product-item.liquid and then press enter key. So in that way you will see that you have an empty file again. So in this empty file I am also going to paste the code which I have attached here. So here we have the file which is color-product-item.txt. So just copy this code from here and then paste it inside of this empty file and then save the changes. So once changes are saved, then you can actually close this file and then go back to the documentation again. Here we have the third and final step, which is go to sections, open main-collection.liquid. So basically you will find this specific file inside of sections. So just click on this sections folder, scroll a little bit down and you will be finding main-collection.liquid file. So here you can see that we have this code, and inside of it you will have to search product-item. So let me copy it, and inside of this file you need to use Control F or maybe Command F, and you will search it and it will be highlighted like this. So in this place what you have to do is you need to replace it with color-variant. So let me copy this color-variant and then go back here. So you need to delete that product-item and paste color-variant and then save the changes. Once changes are saved, then you can actually close this file also. And here it is now the main collection which I have. So if I'm refreshing this page, then you will see the preview that how it looks after making the changes. So let me duplicate this page so that you could see the changes. So now I'm refreshing it and here we go. Now you can see that we have blue color as well as red color. So in case I am clicking on plus icon, so you will see that red color will be selected here. So in the same way, I have multiple products right here, but all the colors are displaying now. Can you see? We have all the colors right here. I am selecting this one for example. So you can see that we have two colors. So you can also see that this name of variant is Litur, Litur. So in case you have any different name, then still this feature will work. So you can see that we have two items related to this. So both of them are displaying on this page. All right. So that's how you can actually, for example, I'm clicking on this one. So you can see that we have two colors. So both the colors are displaying on this page, on this collection page. I have multiple collections here. So in all the collections, you can see that we have all the color variants are displaying on this collection page. So you can implement this feature into your Shopify store. If you have any problem or something, definitely you can ask me. I will help you out in that. Recently, I created one more feature for one of my customer. So here you can see that I have these small images as well as videos. So if I'm clicking on any of it, so you can see that this is showing a pop-up. So all the images and videos are displayed as a slider, and this is an infinite slider actually. So here you can see that this is autoplay, like first 3 seconds are playing, and then after it is just repeating again and again, just to give a glimpse to the customer that this is a video. So this is really an amazing feature which I created yesterday. So I will be publishing the video for this one also, but I can create such kind of features if you need it. So let me know if you have any change to make in your Shopify store, or maybe any new section to create or any other new feature to create. So definitely I will help you out in that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. So I have already given all the links below in the description. So thank you once again. See you in the next video.